Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to the Kamado Joe cooking channel. Today we're going to fire up our classic. We're going to make a nice summertime fruit dessert, and we're going to make a peach, plum, and blueberry crostata. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is light a fire in the center of the firebox of my Kamado Joe classic. I've got one fire starter down in here, and I'm going to light it up, and I'm going to immediately set my heat deflectors in the low position here, and we're going to set up for some indirect cooking. I'm going to set the grill grates in the top position, and I'm going to put my iCommand pit probe in place, and then we're going to start up the iCommand to run this grill at 375 degrees. In order to run the iCommand at 375, I'm going to set the top vent just a little bit past the first mark, and I'm going to have the vent on the iCommand fully open. And on the iCommand app, I'm just going to tell it to cook now. We're going to skip telling it what kind of meat we're going to cook. I'm going to set the pit temperature to 375 degrees and tell it to start the iCommand. And our fan starts running immediately, so we'll just let this bring the grill up to temperature. While our grill's warming up, I want to get the filling going for this crostata. So I'm going to use this mixing bowl. I've got about 2 cups or so of sliced peaches. I've got another 2 cups or so of sliced plums, and I'm going to add some blueberries to that as well. And I've got a mixture here of sugar, some cornstarch, and some cinnamon that I'm going to dump in over that. I'll give you all those ingredients quantities in the video description. I'm just going to stir that up and get those completely coated with all that. I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator. Okay, I've taken a 10-inch cast iron skillet, and I've put a little butter and flour in there to keep that from sticking. And I've got about a 12-inch or so pie crust that I've made from scratch. If you don't want to make yours from scratch, feel free to buy one. Otherwise, I want you to just put that in the pan kind of loosely there. And then we're going to put our filling in. I'm just going to kind of spoon our filling here into the middle of this. I may have a little more filling than I need. And then what we're going to do is just take the edges of that and kind of fold it up over. And once I get that pinched in like that, we're going to take that to the grill. Okay, we've got our grill up to temp, and I'm going to set this pan right here in the middle of the grill. I'm going to move my temperature probe there a little bit, and we're going to let this cook for probably 50 minutes or so. Okay guys, we've been going about an hour here, and this thing's looking fantastic. So I'm going to take this off the grill, and we're going to let it cool for a while before we do anything else with it. Okay, I've given this thing time to cool, so what I'm going to do is we're just going to cut it. I'm probably just going to cut this one into quarters, make them fairly large. This is something that you can serve as a dessert, obviously. Maybe I'll cut one of these into a smaller piece here for a taste test. Serve it with ice cream. It's going to be delicious, so let's try it out. Okay guys, I'll have a little taste test of this. Man, it smells amazing too. That's beautiful. Perfect summertime dessert. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. Join us on Facebook, facebook.com/Kamado Joe. Follow us on Twitter @Kamado Joe. And until next time, I'm John Setzler with Kamado Joe Cooking Channel.